Alright, so we're out here today. Hopefully I'm going to combine all the videos into one, not two, one. We're going to see what my Typhon's got, charging that thing back up. Took it for a test drive. Matt broke his previous record from 100 to 112 on his Talion, which is really, really nice. This is not my Talion, but I helped him certainly with the active wing, got him hooked up with the splitter. I'm jealous of his little fan battery, but we're gonna see what his Typhon's got. And rule of thumb, whenever I come out here, I never told you guys, but normally I go out to Wendy's, which is, you know, it's about a quarter mile down the road. So whenever I actually break a record or, you know, overcome, you know, a certain digit of number like 120, 130, you know, I'll treat myself to Wendy's. So we're gonna see if we're gonna get Wendy's today. All right, we're all zeroed out with Matt's Talion. He's gonna do a 6S pass, and I'm gonna be right behind him. Oh. Zeroed out. We're at peak speed. There we go. All right. Fingers crossed. All right. Okay, we have a clear runway ready for takeoff. Hopefully not. I'm still barely getting into it. All right, I'm gonna go on this side so you can run. See what that was. Oh, here we go. We're going to Wendy's. 131. Nice. Very good. All right, let's see what you got. I'm gonna take this off this side real quick. All right, that was 131 on 6S. Matt previously hit 112 on 6S with the same battery. So we're gonna see what he's got. We have a clear runway. Holy crap. It must sound different on this side.
No, it sounded like it was pulling ass.
Oh my god. Yeah, gives you the jitters, right? I'm telling you, that's why I do this. It's better than drugs. Let's see what that was. I have a good feeling. Can we get 2 personal bests in one video? Let's see.
112?
Yeah, you're at 112 before.
Maybe like 115.
I don't know.
That was quick.
It's debatable. I'm not gonna jinx it.
116.
There you go. 116. And that's 6S, one single 6. Talion, running the kill mode 2900, and I'm pretty sure, if I remember right, it's the 2700 on this side. Oh, these hurt my fingers. Let's see. There you go, another 6S. Very good run, very clean run, Matt. Oh, that went flying. We're at 131. That was actually right before, well, this was right after the crash. Oh, nope. I actually went off road with this. I think traction broke loose down there. There was a little bit of sand and whatnot. Nut and bolted everything, went back with my head up, got a new PB. Same thing with Matt. Very good day. Yeah, looks like we're going to Wendy's. Here, there, 4 for 4 is the thing to get there. Thanks for watching, guys.